First, let's talk about prompting. Prompting is simply typing something into an AI to get response. It's like searching Google, but instead of links, you get full answers. Examples: write a business name for a fitness app. Give me 5 YouTube video ideas. How do I cook jollof rice? These are, pretty straightforward questions that everyone is, asking AI. But here's the catch. Basic prompts is equal to basic results. And that's fine if you are playing around, but not if you want real results. If you want real results from AI, then you have to use prompt engineering. Now, let's talk about prompt engineering. This is where the magic happens. This is where you get good results from AI. Prompt engineering is the act and science of, crafting prompts to get better, deeper, and more relevant results. It's, knowing how to ask the right question in the right way with the right context. So let me give you an example. Like, a normal prompt is going to be like, write a poem about love, and the output is going to be probably something generic, a generic poem, something just random for you. But prompt engineering is when you take it a step further. For example, write a poem in Maya Angelou's voice about, a mother's love during hard times, using metaphor and free verse. And the output is going to be something powerful, emotional, and very vivid, like a poem that is talking about something, because the prompt you give it is very, very detailed. So, same request over here, but we've gotten two complete different results or outcomes. And that's the power of prompt engineering. Now, let's break it down, simple, in a very simple term. Most people who ask, why do I even have to learn about prompt engineering? Because very soon AI is going to be everywhere. Most people want to learn how to, run automations, how to use AI, how to make the best out of AI. And the first step to learning automations, building AI agents, building whatever it is to understand prompting, is to understand prompt engineering, is to understand how to talk to AI. Because if you don't know how to talk to AI, you're not going to get the best of the best results. So let's break it down super simply. So basic request, that's prompting. Prompting means basic request. Prompt engineering means refined strategic request. Prompting is surface level response. You get surface level response. Prompt engineering, you get deep customized response. No format control for prompt engineering, but for prompting, but prompt engineering, you get what? Control, format, tone, and style. Prompting, you just get one step query, but prompt engineering can involve multiple step, thinking. That's the difference between prompt and prompt engineering. Some simple difference. And it is true, because you wonder how people are able to generate consistent images using ChatGPT. And they didn't give ChatGPT a simple prompt. They gave it an engineered prompt, a prompt that they've sat down to write it over and over, fine-tuned it before giving it to the AI. But if you just give ChatGPT a normal prompt, or Claude or Anthropic or Gemini, you are not going to get something like that. So that's like an example. So it's just like the difference between texting a friend, I'm hungry, and then texting a friend, I'm starving. Maybe I want to eat rice. Do you know any place nearby that is not too expensive? Same idea, but you're going to get different response, because for the first response, you were just like, I'm hungry. But the first question, you were like, I'm hungry. But the second question, you went into details. You are starving, you want rice, and now you are looking for any place that is not too expensive. And this is going to make the person respond to you in different ways. You understand? So now here's the thing. Prompt engineering is not for tech people. It's not just for developers or people who are AI nerds. The skill is for everyone. It's for creators, for marketers, students, entrepreneurs, everybody, because AI is now part of our everyday life. As I said, emails, reports, research, creative work, content creation, AI is helping you with all, but only if you know how to talk to it well. Think of it like this: AI is your assistant, prompting is giving instruction. Prompt engineering is giving clear, detailed, result driven instructions. So let me give you a few practical prompts. Like, instead of write a blog post, you say write a blog post for a beginner entrepreneur on how to build an email list using a friendly tone. So you are able to give it something. You give it a context. That's the first thing. You give it a context. Write a blog post for a beginner entrepreneurs on how to build an email list using a friendly tone. Then you set a role. Let's say acts like a productivity coach, help me plan a week for deep focus. Then you ask for formats. Give me a table comparing Instagram and TikTok for business marketing. Then use step-by-step prompting. Help me define my target audience, suggest content ideas, blah, blah, blah. These are some of the ways you can ask detailed questions from AI. Now, these are some of the basic things that you should know about prompt engineering. But honestly, if you want to take it deeper, you have to read more about AI. And luckily for you, we've built a community where we teach prompt engineering. There's a free course for prompt engineering. It's very simple and straightforward. Now, this is not just a course that we've put out there. It's how we actually learn prompt engineering. So it's a personal delivery out there that is going to help you also, prompt better and get good results from AI. So the link is in the description. Make sure you check it out and then see you in the community. Make sure you like this video, you share this video. There are going to be a lot of videos on this channel. I'm going to teach you how to build automations on this channel, teach you the best AI tools that you should use, and then everything that you need to know about AI automation and building AI agents. See you in the next video. Make sure you join the community.